How to log in to TD Credit Card online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your TD Credit Card online account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for TD Credit Card Online Account Login. After you search for that, you'll find TD Credit Cards websites available here. Head over to this TD Bank website, this one, and it should take you to this website. So all you have to do after you're here is log in. So while this loads, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and log in. Subscribe. So here you can see this is the login page. All you have to do is type in your username here, whatever your username is, then same goes with the password. Make sure that both of these are correct, then tap on login to log in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.